Out of the Box Media Literacy Initiative has launched a nationwide dialogue on media and information literacy, bringing together sectors to discuss a national framework. Mobile journalist Fatima Baduria has the report.
Out of the Box Media Literacy Initiative has kicked off its dialogue with different sectors on media and information literacy in the Philippines, aiming to push for a national framework. The Philippine MIL Summit gathered representatives from different sectors for a conversation on building a coalition and action plan on the matter.
Ang unang step talaga ay yung coalition. Mga taong naniniwala na importante to at kailangan to. Yung contribution din ng bawat sector talaga, the education sector, the media education, the tech sector, and of course civil society, yun, importante din yun.
The first of the two-part dialogue focused on brainstorming policy strategies for a national MIL framework. However, participants recommended approaching it from the ground up.
Can we start small? Let's cook it na parang bibingka. Sabay natin lutuin yung sa baba with the LGUs, and sa taas yung national.
For Out of the Box, making MIL a priority for legislation is one of its biggest challenges.
Yung bureaucracy talaga nung pagpasa ng bill, mahabang proseso siya. Kaya din, siguro yung approach na nakikita ng mga nung coalition or nung sectors who wanna be involved here ay mas ground up pa muna.
One of the goals of advancing a national MIL framework is to equip people with necessary skills to navigate and act upon information.
Yung pag-aaral kasi ng MIL, hindi lang siya sa school. Pwede mo siya talagang i-apply sa pagboto, apply sa pagbasa ng balita about flood control projects or the whatever corruption issues that we're facing now. Hindi lang dapat surface level yung ating binabasa or yung ating tinitignan, pinapakinggan.
The dialogue on Philippine MIL will resume on November 21, which will include representatives from the government, academe, media, and technology companies. Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.